So next, set up Firebase Auth in Next.js. So I already set up Firebase in Next.js. So go Auth. Where is Auth? Where is Auth? Authentication, security authentication. Okay, sign in method, get started. Sign in method. So first I use email and password. Enable. Okay. Save. So we have email and password enable. So back to our page. So here in this config page, so I go const auth equals get auth. Okay. Because we const this app and we use auth, get auth, use this app. So cannot find name get auth. Import. We need to import this from Firebase auth. Yes, that's it. Set up auth Firebase in this project. Okay, go. Okay, change 4 files. The first is Firebase. Okay, and he removed all the keys in env file. If no key, we use this. Yes. Okay. And const app initialize project. Okay, and use Google provider. You give a Google provider. And auth, get auth. Okay, so first one, okay. Second one, auth panel. Page and .env, okay. Page. Undo, okay. Undo. The other thing is, set up email. Login. Use auth Firebase in this project. Go. Okay, 4 files. So first, Firebase. He removed all the keys in env.example. Okay. And const auth get auth initialize if it already have apps, it use this get app. Otherwise, it create another app. Okay. So email auth the panel and the page use this email auth panel. Okay, and the example. Okay, keep all and refresh. I cut the server and the npm run dev again. Okay, and 3000. Cool stuff. Register and login. Okay, register. I just I change all Chinese to English in component and the page. So there's a home page p tag. Okay, and h1 p tag and email auth panel. Okay. Okay, keep all. Only this email auth. Okay, and then we go email auth panel. So okay, sign in and register. Okay, I register. I use a password. Create account. I'm processing. Oh, it's done. Okay, it's done. Already signed in. And I go Firebase. I check users. Okay, and the user is here. And if I sign out, I sign in again. I use, okay, sign in with email. Okay, it's done. Thank you so much. Very good. And I see the code. So, okay, so first is this. Export const auth equals get auth. We use this app. And this is to remove all the keys in the env file. If not get the keys, we use this as before. Okay, and email auth panel. So first is state and use effect listener. So handle submit, handle sign out. Okay. So user email, we got the email. We show the email. Otherwise, no. Okay. Button, sign out. Okay. If we have user, we show this. And where is the user from? Because use the user. Where is this user from? Set user. Okay. Use effect set user. Okay. So the UI part is, okay, button sign in. It's a button sign in. On click set model sign in. Okay, model and set model. Okay, button sign in and the register. Okay, this is two button sign in and choose model. Okay, sign in and register. Okay, and it's a form. We'll give this form and the email. We use input. Okay, input and the value on change set email event target value. Okay, placeholder. Okay, and next password value and set password unchanged event target value. And next is form submit. If it's pending, we give loading, give pending processing. If I have error, we show error. And if we submit this form, we'll fire this function handle submit. Okay, we go up handle submit. So handle submit is handle submit. Okay, prevent the page refresh, and set pending true. Try if mode register will await create a user with email and password. And this from Firebase Auth. We use Auth from Firebase. Okay. All right, and the email and password to create user, and else await sign in with this. If mode register, we create. Otherwise, we go sign in. That is sign in mode, and await here, and then set password. No. If I have error, we set error, and finally set pending false, and await here. And when this component mount, we set a listener. That's important. Const unsubscribe. That's a listener. On auth change, we wait for the auth change, and then we use auth from Firebase and current user. We set user. If the user change, we set user, and then we'll have user. So handle submit will trigger this create user and sign in user. All these two functions will change the user state, and here we will catch the state because we set up this listener when the component amount, and then we have user, set user. If we have user, we show this UI, not this return. Show this UI. This UI part is just a button to sign out, and we have user the email and handle sign out. Perfect. And this function await sign out, and we run this await sign out. This will fire off this listener because user change will set user to null. Okay. And if no user, we show this part, sign in and sign up. So perfect. Perfect. Okay. If we do not have user, we can sign in and register. And we got the user. And we show the user email and also sign out button. And the listener is still listening. And we sign out. The user change, and the listener got the user and move the UI to this part. Okay, that's good.